Hello everyone, this is Sanjeev Mishra and welcome to another episode of AskSanjeevMishra.com. Now today's question is, can I make my living with blogging or income from blogging probably? So, if you have heard about blogging, there are so many blogs available on internet. People are giving their opinion through blogs, right? They are writing blogs on different topics like recipes, and somebody is reviewing products, somebody is writing blog on travel or tourism. And there are so many blogs on internet. Sometimes you'll also heard this thing that blogging is now dying, right? There are very few good bloggers and nobody is blogging these days. It's totally wrong. Whenever you will go on internet, you are searching for how-to's article, when you are searching for something, then most probably you will land on a blog or someone else's blog. So of course blogging is not dying. Like any other field, it may be changing, right? Or it is changing the way you have to blog. Now blogging is definitely working. There are so many people who are making money through blog. I am one of the example who is making money with blogging and who is running a lot of blogs. So, ignore that part if somebody is saying that blogging is dying. Of course it is there and people are making money. Now, how much money you can make, whether you can run your life, whether you can pay your all bills, whether you can sustain with blogging, it depends on how well you are writing and how much traffic you are getting on your blog. Now, if you have heard about Google Adsense program, where you can get a piece of code from Google and you can place that code on your website and that place will start showing ads, right? Google Ads. So bloggers are making money by running advertisement on their blogs, and mostly they are using Google AdSense program. Now if you are getting traffic on your blog, that you can do by implementing search engine optimization, by doing email marketing, by doing social media marketing, by running ads, right? Now if you'll go back to 2010-11, bloggers were they were just writing content and they were expecting traffic. But these days you need to invest money by running ads, by promoting content on social media, by getting more engagement over there. So you need to do these things. You cannot just make money, you need to reinvest like any other business if you are doing professional blogging. So you have to make sure that you are getting good amount of traffic on your blog. And if you are running Google AdSense program or many other affiliate program or advertisement program, then the chances are very high that you will make money over there. Now, the amount of traffic that you are getting and the kind of ads you are running, that will decide the income, right? So for all keywords, if you start thinking like an advertiser and you will log into Google AdWords, where advertisers are creating ads, there you can find out in Keyword Planner tool that how much money people are spending for single click for a particular term, right? So in Keyword Planner tool, you can do that research that, all right, if I am looking for say shoes, and that too in Mumbai and that too in New York, if you'll compare these things, then for best shoes in New York, people are spending 1500 rupees or 2000 rupees or 2500 rupees in New York, whereas they are spending 400 rupees or 500 rupees in Mumbai for single click. So if your blog will get traffic from New York, and if you're writing about shoes, then chances are very high that for a single click on your ad, you will make 60% of that 1500 rupees or 2000 rupees, which is 1200 rupees. So for one click, you are making 1200 rupees, right? If you are getting traffic from New York, so you have to make sure that your blog is having content, such content that will bring traffic, that will get traffic from those places. So place is important, niche is important, on what topic you are writing, whether advertisers are running ads or whether there is high competition or medium competition between advertisers for running ad on that niche or topic or not. That you can find out in Keyword Planner. So rather than just running a blog, daily investing time on producing content, you can research these things as well. So go inside Google AdWords, check keyword planner, check the keywords, which keyword is getting maximum PPC, right? Pay per click. So based on that, you can start a blog, you can make, you can get traffic from that place. So for example, if you are writing a blog on insurance, right? Auto insurance. Now, if you will check this term cheap auto insurance on Google Keyword Planner, and if you will check the location as New York or any major city in US, then the PPC is around 18 to 20,000 rupees. So for one click, advertiser is going to pay 20,000 rupees to Google for that term, right? Now, Google is promising you around 55 or 60% of that click amount. So if a Google user comes to your website from search engine, comes to your website, and there that cheap insurance ad is appearing, and that guy came from New York, or he is browsing your site in New York, if he clicks on that ad, you are going to make around 10,000 rupees or 11,000 rupees for a single click on that ad, right? So you need to understand that when you are blogging or when you are doing professional blogging and you are planning to make a lot of money from blogging, you just don't need to produce content, you need to research on these things. How to select the topic, which topic is getting maximum CPC, which topic is, which topic I should write so that I can get more search volume, more traffic, and then you will have to work on SEO and other channels to get traffic, to increase your popularity, to increase your ranking. So if you will do all these things, then of course you will make money. People are making huge money through blogging, and they are making money by investing time and effort in researching that topic and then producing the content accordingly, right? If you like this video, click on the like button, share this video with your friends, family members, colleagues who are planning to start a blog and they are planning to generate income through internet or through blogging. Let me know your feedback, how you feel if you are running a blog, how much money you are making, and what are the main sources of income. Looking forward to see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.